This is the Spectrum Color Match Gel Coat. What color is it? I believe it's driftwood, but a perfect match. So we'll let this stuff cure out and see if we can make these holes disappear that the last owner, it's like he just kept adding holes. So anyway, bye-bye electronics. Now I can go ahead and start with a clean slate. He had some fans up front that I removed. They were not in too good a condition. Don't know what I'll put in for their replacement, but I'm happy if this stuff cures out and is sandable. The rest of the gel coat repairs on this boat will go pretty quick.